Today I'm going to be drawing Mario in 4 different styles. Once I saw this trend going around with amazing art by Taser Art and RM Designs, I knew I had to get in on it and add my own spin on it. So let's start drawing Mario in 4 different styles. First, we're going to do a line art style. I'm using a ton of different mediums to make this art. I'll leave everything in the description. You can check out the tools I use below. Next, it's time to have some fun and make an abstract quadrant. For the third quadrant, I'm doing a realistic cartoon style, where I'm mixing colored pencils and big pens. The fourth quadrant, I'm pushing my comfort zone and trying to make this more of a metallic Mario. Drawing done, it's time to spray it. I used Mod Podge spray, but after I sprayed it, I realized that it smudged the marker a little bit. You can see that smudge right there, big mistake. So what I did is I posted it to Reddit, and then one user responded to use this Krylon spray. So you might want to pick that up if you're going to spray your drawings on paper. For the final touch, we're going to throw some art resin on the Mario to give it that nice shine. Before the reveal, let's recap. We did 4 different styles of Mario: line art, abstract, cartoon realistic style, and metallic. And there it is, Mario in 4 different styles. Thanks for watching. See you next time.